Hey friends, got a lot I want to do today. Gotta go grab some coffee because I'm going out of my mind. I'm gonna get my hair cut. Gonna get some YouTube videos made, which I'm stoked about. And then ballpark and game with one of my buds and Sarah. And maybe more. We'll see. Yeah, looking forward to it. Today's gonna be pretty great. Stick around.
So I'm reading a book on ethics before I take the NPRE in the fall. And the guy who wrote this particular ethics prep book was part of the Senate Watergate Committee.
What I tried to tell her is that basically the entire legal world is one big pun because, where else in the world can you find the guy who was on the Watergate Committee literally writing the book on legal ethics. Alrighty, so we've kind of jumped through quickly a couple of things. What happened was coffee, YouTube, just ate, and then we made the YouTube videos. Just ate, just got my hair cut. What do you think? And then, so right now I'm working on editing. And so later on we'll be going to the ballpark, see some games, see some fireworks. I'm really excited about it and hanging out with some of my buddies over there. Last little pack up, figure out what's going on. And then we're gonna be heading out to the ballpark. Got a video uploading to YouTube. So I'm happy about that. Gotta shoot some B-roll for 2 more later on. And then we'll be all good. So yeah. I think, are we ready?
Play ball.
Play ball. So it turns out that we made it here to the ballpark, way before our friends with the tickets made it, so we're gonna have to sit around for a while, turns out.
To see by the dawn.
The more A's, the better you sound, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I know that's
Looks like we made it.
Like Shaka when the walls fell, and you're like, what does that mean? And then the whole episode is him finding out what that means and more. And more.
To be revealed.
I didn't want to spoil it.
Were they pre-work or post-work?
Like enough to piece the plot together.
Really? Yes. He seemed like he'd be such a
Because that's funny because he's a familiar.
Oh,
Not
everybody's
a
a video. Okay.
Yeah.
On our back door.
Magnet?
Oh, on the door.
So when I walk out every single morning,
You think about them again?
September 30th.
You do the math every morning too?
Every morning. I know the countdown better than you do.
Right,
You should know the countdown.
I've got an app that tells me.
Actually, you should.
It's
They're just gonna get married. What's the big deal?
How was your evening, Riley?
It was good. Is the mic on this time?
How was your evening?
It was good.
It's been a pretty good time.
Thank you for
See you in the next one.
What's he?